Welcome back. Now the Midday Sports Roundup.
Olympic discus gold medalist Roger Stoner and Olympic 100-meter silver medalist Kishane Thompson are among 8 male nominees, while Olympic triple jump silver medalist Shanika Ricketts is among 5 female nominees for the RGR Glean National Sportsman and Sportswoman of the Year Awards set for January 17, 2025. Stoner attained the country's first gold medal in the event, setting a new Olympic record of 70 meters, while Kishane Thompson secured silver in the 100 meters with a time of 9.79 seconds. This was Jamaica's first medal in the 100 meters since Rio 2016. Ricketts got her first Olympic medal in her career, getting the runner-up spot in Paris, cutting the sand at a season's best 14.87 meters. Other male nominees are Olympic silver medalist in the long jump Wayne Pinnock, Olympic bronze medalist in the 110-meter hurdles Rashid Broadbell, Olympic shot put bronze medalist Rajendra Campbell, Akeem Blake, and Rashid McDonald, while the female nominees include Rochelle Clayton, Akira Nugent, Nikisha Price, and cyclist Laurie Sharp. Defending Jamaica Premier League champions Cavalier became the third Jamaican team to win the Caribbean Cup title after defeating Cibao from the Dominican Republic by virtue of the away goal rule in the second leg of the final on Tuesday. Cavalier went into the final with a 1-goal advantage following their 1-0 win at home in the first leg. The Jamaica side was put on the back foot early as Cibao scored 2 goals in a minute, as Juan Diaz scored in the 27th minute and Rivaldo Correa in the 28th. However, player of the tournament Dwayne Atkinson was the hero for Cavalier with his 54th minute strike to make it 2-1 on the night and 2-all on aggregate.
As you can see, we keep a composure because they lead us 2-love and we just only lead 1 and we just come back and just get the job done and keep a clean sheet in the second half.
Many-time champions Kingston College will battle first-time finalists St. Catherine High in the final of the Issa Manning Cup, as both teams had semi-final victories on Tuesday. A double from Matthew Martin in the 16th and added on led Kingston College to a 2-0 victory over Hydel in the second semi-final at the National Stadium.
The last 3 games we did very well and we were expecting that kind of performance to have play out in the semi-finals today. But maybe they were a little bit tentative. Maybe due to the fact that this team would have been the same team that knocked us out at the same stage last year. But I think in the end, we got the result that we desired.
Earlier in semi-final 1, St. Catherine High defeated many-time champions Jamaica College 5-3 on penalties. The teams had played out a 1-all draw in regulation time, with Romaine Walters giving St. Catherine High a 12-minute lead, which was cancelled out by Nashado Gibbs in the 41st.
What we have to play is to try and get the early goal and push them back and say, oh, JC will work to get back that 1 goal. But they get back 1 goal very early and we have to play just to stay for them a bit and try to carry to penalty. Once they can carry to the penalty, we'll curve this for them.
The final will kick off at 6:15 on Friday at the National Stadium. Meanwhile, the Costa Cup finalists will be decided today at the National Stadium. Ocho Rios High and McGraw High will take on each other in the first semi-final at 3:30 p.m., while former champions Glenmuir High will battle Garvey Maceo for a spot in the final. The final will be at the National Stadium at 6:15 p.m. on Saturday. I'm Christopher Scott, and that is your Midday Sports Report.
Thank you, Christopher. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.